Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well and 2025 is going really well for you all. Just setting up my 2025 planner, writing down goals and important dates. Also, I'm going to declutter my living room and kitchen after my journaling session, so stick around till the end. I have been journaling since 4 to 5 years now, and it really helps me to get down all the thoughts onto a piece of paper so that I don't have to, remember all these things. Because let's just admit that sometimes we just have so many things to do that we get overwhelmed just thinking about them. So, writing a to do list just helps you streamline your thoughts and get things done quicker. So I just wrote the word for this year, which is progress, because this year I want to really focus on progress over perfection. Also, writing down some specific goals for health, work and career, and self care. Also, I have this monthly reset checklist for my home, which I follow for decluttering, cleaning. I absolutely love cleaning the house and organizing everything, and I just think it's like therapy for me to organize the house, declutter everything, because when you live in a cluttered environment, it just somehow affects you. That's what I think. For the longest time, we had an unfurnished kitchen, but then finally, after 7 to 8 years later, we decided to get it furnished. Cleaning the kitchen at night just gives me so much happiness. Even if you're watching this video in the month of February, these clips are actually from the first week of Jan, when I was getting my life together, having my house decluttered, cleaning up things, and keeping the Christmas tree inside. I also decluttered my closet and donated a lot of clothes that we were not using. Similarly, bags which we were not using. Next, I also want to declutter my balcony because I have a lot of house plants. Balcony over time has become a mess. I do intend on making such videos once in a while because I really enjoy organization and cleaning. If you stayed till the end, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon. Until next time, bye bye and take care.